Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Aclarastra makes an awesome, genius beach and pool toy. You have to check these out. We have been absolutely loving these collapsible beach toys. What an awesome design this is. The buckets fold down slim so you can travel with these, and that's exactly what we did. They came with us all the way to the Bahamas. It comes with 2 buckets, 4 sand animal molds, a turtle, a crab, whale, and alligator. The whale can also double as a 3rd shovel. That worked really well. 2 sand scoops, and I'm really impressed with the quality of these toys. They are made with wheat straw materials and are very durable. The 2 reusable mesh bags make it so easy to store and carry everything, and the holes allow all the sand to come through so you're not bringing a bunch of sand into your car or into your suitcase. Some of the reviews said they weren't able to build a sandcastle with the buckets. That was not our experience. We are able to build several sandcastles with these. We've had so much fun playing with them, not just at the beach, but also in the pool. If you are looking for an easy way to take toys to the beach or on vacation, then you will absolutely love these. They were a lifesaver in the Bahamas and so simple to pack up and bring in our suitcases. The kids had fun playing with these all day at the beach. The colors are fun and bright. I am so happy that I found these beach toys. We have used them a lot. And that's my point of view.